Hello friends, welcome back to Nanima Wisdom. I am C. Raj Mehta. Friends, few months ago I had made a couple of videos on mutual fund KYC and people have found it very useful. I've got so many views, so many likes and comments. People have also reached out to me on my email and one of the suggestion was that I should bring out the video in English so as to reach more and more audience, so as to benefit more and more people. So in this particular video, I'll show you how you can validate your Aadhar KYC, where you have given Aadhar as your proof of permanent address, correspondence address, how you can validate it, where the status is either verified or registered. Okay, so let's check it out. So this is the summary. If you would first need to check the KYC status. If it is validated, nothing needs to be done. If it is not validated, then you have to carry out these procedures. I have already discussed this in my other video. So in this video, I'll show you how you can verify it. Verify where you have done your KYC with Aadhar. If your KYC is registered with other proof other than Aadhar, then you will have to redo the entire KYC, and this procedure will not work there. First you need to go and check your status. So to check your status, you have to go to cvlkra, click on KYC inquiry, enter your PAN number, enter captcha and click on submit. Okay, so here you can see again cvlkra, the status is showing as validated, with Aadhar being the permanent address proof and correspondence address proof. Okay, so now assume in this case that it is not validated, it is verified or it is registered. So what further procedures we need to take, that we'll show you here. So if your KYC status is verified, you need to do validation. So again, go to cvlkra, click on KYC validation, enter your PAN number, your mobile number, email ID, and proceed with other validation. Click on that option, click on e-Aadhar PDF, click on next. Now you have to download your must e-Aadhar card. If you have not downloaded, you need to do so. I have already made this video. I'll share the link with you how to download must Aadhar. So you have to specify the path where you have stored it. You have to enter the password of that file and then click on next. Okay, so here you can see all the details are matching. You have to click on validate KYC, and yes, your KYC is validated. Then we'll check one more PAN, enter the PAN, enter captcha and then click on submit. Okay, here you can see that nothing is mentioned against cvlkra, but it is mentioned against karvykra. So basically the KYC is must have been done in with Karvy, the KRA agency. So now we have to go to Karvy website to validate. We cannot go to cvlkra website. Okay, so go to that website, click on KYC validation, enter PAN, enter your details, enter captcha. See here it's written all investors investing in capital markets are required to validate the KYC details in KRA for continual and uninterrupted transactions. To validate your KYC for authentication of your email ID and phone numbers, you will need to enter your PAN number and validate the same with OTP received on your pre-registered mobile number. So here you can see everything is verified. Click on submit and exit. If it had not been verified, then you would have to do all the procedures as we had discussed in CVL KRA. Now we can also check your KYC status in karvykra as we had checked in cvlkra. So here we have to click on KYC inquiry, enter your PAN number, enter the characters, click on search now. Yes, so the KYC is validated, no further action needs to be taken. So again, the summary, you can take a screenshot of this summary. I hope you found the video useful. If so, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I come up with any new videos. Friends, please share this with your friends, families and relatives. Definitely it will be useful to them. It is a very hot topic. Many people are suffering. So please share it with them and let them benefit out of it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.